I would like to introduce you to my new Abus 6000 folding bicycle lock. As many of you know, my Ice Trike was stolen about 3 weeks ago, and I have chosen to go to a much more beefy lock. This lock, this Abus 6000, actually weighs close to 3 pounds, but one of the things that I really like about it is that it's rated 10 out of 10, and it's also pretty compact and folds up like this, as opposed to being a great big massive U-lock. So when it unfolds, it looks kind of like this, and then it can be unlocked with a key. The Abus does make combo locks, but this just seemed to be more secure to me. So you unlock it, and then this slides down like that, and then the trick becomes figuring out how to thread it through your particular machine. And all of our bikes and trikes look different, and where we have a triangle of such that we can use for securely locking is going to be different. But this is how I'm doing it now. I've only had this system for about a week or 10 days, and so I'm still kind of looking for some efficiency improvements, but this is the way it works for now. So I've got my bike up to a post here, and I'm going to go under one of the stays, through the wheel, over the other stay. This it moves, it bends, but it's not totally flexible like other things. And then I bring this back around and I slide, sure I do, I slide this in, So you can't do this as on the fly. You've got to sort of be ready and willing to dance with it a little bit.
Put it between that.
We do it that way?
Yeah, that's how we did it.
Alright, what's not working for me here? This is rubber coated, and so theoretically you're not going to damage your... I'm gonna start rethreading. Because I'm fighting with it too much. And of course I wore my light pink outfit today, so this can't take me anywhere. And there we have it locked. Alright, so we're good to go. Thank you. Is it off now?
Now it is. Yeah.